Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
The Badaun police has arrested Rakesh Gupta, the alleged financier of the Mathura cult Swadhin Bharat Subhash Sena, and a close aide of its chief Ram Vriksha Yadav, who is the alleged mastermind behind the Mathura violence that took place on the 2nd of June. We're trying to get more inputs on that, but this is the latest we are reporting today on the Mathura violence. The Badaun police has arrested Rakesh Gupta, the alleged financier of the cult Swadhin Bharat Subhash Sena. Remember, there was a massive incident of clash between police and the members of the Swadhin Bharat Subhash Sena in Mathura that cost 21 lives. Let me go across to Amir Haq, who's now joining me on the phone line. Amir, at this stage, what can you tell us about Rakesh Gupta's arrest? Who exactly is he? What do we know about his background, his credentials, or the kind of cult that he was financing, really?
Well, Rakesh Gupta had been, storming over the last 2 weeks, ever since violence broke out at Jawar Bagh area in Mathura, and the police had been on the lookout for him. He was arrested last evening on the border between Badaun and Farrukhabad from a place. In fact, he's suspected to be a very key link between Ram Vriksha Yadav and others of his ilk who were part of the entire cult that Ram Vriksha Yadav was running. In fact, he was supposed to be the person who was financing the entire activities of the cult there. Okay. The police also found his name in the diary that was picked up from the place in Jawar Bagh where that entire violence spread out around the evening of the 2nd of June. And ever since the police had been on the lookout for him, he was actually a government employee who was working at a cooperative society there in Badaun. Okay. And
but then how would he have that kind of funds then if he was just a government employee? Do we know anything more about his source of funding? Very quickly, Amir. All right, I'm afraid we lost the link there. We have some more inputs coming on this story. Let's listen in.
हाँ, ये वहाँ से वंचित था और इसके ऊपर 12,000 का इनाम घोषित था बतौर इनामिया। इसको हमारे यहाँ शायद पुलिस और एसओजी की टीम ने इसको गिरफ्तार किया है और उसकी सूचना हम लोगों ने सभी जगह भी दी है और मथुरा पुलिस को भी दी है। उनकी टीम आ गई है और आगे की कार्रवाई मथुरा कांड के संबंध में मथुरा पुलिस द्वारा की जाएगी।
सर, किस जगह से इसकी गिरफ्तारी हुई है? और
ये अटैना पुल है हमारे यहाँ जो फतेहगढ़ का बॉर्डर लगता है, वहाँ से।
सर, कितने दिनों से है सर ये बताएंगे?
ये बताते हैं कि शुरू के रहने वाले तो यहाँ थे, लेकिन इधर काफ़ी समय से इनका रहना बहना यहाँ पर नहीं था। इनका मकान ज़रूर यहाँ पे बना हुआ था और करीब 2012 के आसपास से ये ज़्यादातर मथुरा में ही निवास कर रहे हैं और बीच बीच में ये आते रहते हैं।
सर, हाल फिलहाल की बात लेके जाएगी क्या सर?
हाँ, इसको मथुरा पुलिस को सूचना कर दी थी, वो आ गई है और आगे की कार्रवाई मथुरा पुलिस द्वारा की जाएगी। वहीं से वांछित है, हम लोगों ने इनको बतौर इनामिया गिरफ्तार किया।
सर, इसका राकेश गुप्ता ने अभी सर कहा कि वो 3 तारीख से बदायूं में है, तो सर इतने दिनों से बदायूं में है और गिरफ्तारी आज हुई, सर कुछ कहेंगे इस पर?
कौन कहाँ क्या है इसको तो हम लोग नहीं कह सकते सर, विवेचना का इशू है। हम लोगों ने इसको आज गिरफ्तार किया जेल में।